Hello, hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Now here, up to now, single row subquery, one model I'm telling. What is that model means? Parent query where condition is there. In that model side, always very easy. Second model is there in every database in the worldwide. Already you are familiar in a first initial stage as only. Parent query not only where clause, but also group by clause is there. Whenever group by clause is there, in that case also in a parent query group by clause is there also. That is second model in a single row subquery side. In that case, child query also single value, it will be written. Those queries how you are writing, that is also most powerful. Then only different columns I am telling. This is very, very important, very, very interesting concept. This model based only some concepts we are learning only. Now check it out. Second model is what? A parent query on always group by clause. But parent query group by clause we are using means don't use any star after select keyword. Use a what? Group function with columns, something is there or not. That's why that much of olden days knowledge is required only. So now what is that one means? I will tell you first query. Through that one, you are understandable something only. Now check it out. First query, very interesting, very important. And that is not my query only. Oracle Corporation creating only practice purpose, some other knowledge purpose only. Now check it out. Actually, screen observe it. You are familiar group by clauses? Yeah. What I am telling in a olden days group by clauses means I want to display now here, yes, individual group function. Sorry, I want to use a individual group function. There is no problem. I'm telling. But where the problem is occurred, group function with the normal columns we are trying to use, then it will give us a what? Error. Why? Because group functions means all the values at a time is executed. Again, normal column is record by record is executed. That's why now this query is not working. Already on idea. In that case, you are a good professional means always you are using a what? Group by clause. In the olden days, you have an idea, no? Yes, group by clause, we are using only group space by. Other than group function column is group function average is there. Other than group function column, which column is there? This column job is there. That column we are using. Okay, fine. Suppose, for example, this is a report. In this report, anybody observing or not? Yes, here. Slowly observe here. Very interesting. Only this report is there. Okay, fine. 1 minute observe here. This report is generated. Okay, fine. Concentrate. This is the most powerful. So now here, for example, oh, group by class report. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, in this report outputs only 1 minute observed here. 1 minute observed here. What is the output? Oh, each job average salary, it will display clerk average salary, oh, salesman average salary, and analyst average salary. It will display. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, which job is the lowest average salary job? In this example side, which job is the lowest average salary? Lowest average salary available in a where? Which job? Tell me. Which job? Lowest average salary job. Highest average salary job means president. Lowest average salary job, which one? Which job is getting a what? Lowest average salary. Very good. You are only telling very good. Clerk only you are telling. That's why this clerk only I want to display. Lowest average salary job I want to display. I want to display in this report. I don't want to display all the jobs and all the average salaries. Only this lowest average salary job. This is output I want to display. How you are achieving means achieve it. Very, 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 very important concept in a second model in a where in a database, parent query group by class. Observe here, most powerful. And now not a where class, here group by class. Observe here group function with report. Question of here. Always I want to display lowest average salary job, which one is there. That is only output I want by using a what a subqueries only. And now this is all the things are there. Okay, fine. Yes, here like this. But unfortunately, lowest one is which one is there? That one only I want to display. Okay, na? So now that query first you have to write it. Query write it. Second model side. Write it. One query. Write a query. This is a predefined query. Write a query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display lowest average salary. Lowest average salary job. Lowest average salary job From EMP table. From EMP table. By using, they're giving the hint, but don't worry. By using group by class. Group by class. By using group by class, maybe enjoy. Now write it. Maybe you're writing it. Whatever you know, write it. This query, anybody writing a first time is great because this is a different model, but single row subquery, this one also. Here some rules are there, that's why maybe ANSI standard giving these type of queries. Oracle also same. Up to today class very easy. Then onwards, with top and analysis in the subquery chapter said most powerful. Top and analysis onwards, row num, inline view, row ID, that row num, filtering the data, ranking functions, then only multiple column something we are telling. Single row and multiple row, basic level. Okay, yeah. Write it this one. Slowly try it, whatever you know, write it. Maybe everyone writing a what a parent query correctly, I think, but child query difficult. Parent query group by not hair class. Here different, totally different. This one. Take your own time. Parent query, maybe so many fellows are writing correctly, I think. Previous classes knowledge is required. Child query. First, your imagination columns like this. Output your imagination of these columns. You have an idea means first group by something here, not a where class, group by class based only queries. This one. This is the second model. First time anybody writing is really great. Why? Because so many things are there in a child query. Parent query, okay. At least up to parent query, write it properly. Take your own time, 1 or 2 minutes. Why? Because this is most powerful concept. Question is very simple but difficult. Lowest average salary. Niranjan, you are writing off of the thing, correct? Again, try it. Maybe some fellows are off of the thing. Maybe they are writing. I already am telling. Child query, new rule. At least parent query you are writing means I am satisfied. Alim, you are also off of the thing. Whatever you know, write it. It's totally new concept. But single row subquery. This is not a multiple row, single row subquery. This is not our query. Oracle Corporation giving a what? This query. That's why in a net, in a books also this will be there. Okay, now enough. Now check it out. Concentrate here. This is difficult. Why I am telling means child query only problem. Parent query everyone writing a what correctly, and a child query means maybe some other rule only. Okay, no, that's why. But don't worry. Now here, check it out. Concentrate. First here, display lowest average salary job from EMP table by using group by clause. They are giving a hint. Group by clause they are giving means 90% of the queries are group function with columns in a real-time projects also. That's why which group function is suitable? Average. In this case, average they are asking. Yes, here. That's why your imagination columns first. Average of salary. Okay, fine. Now, and also job wise they are asking. That's why maybe your job comma average salary you are displaying a what? This is an output. Okay, columns. Columns, your imagination means half of the query is finished actually. That is only difficult really. Now here observe here. Yeah, display average, lowest average salary job means, oh, maybe average salary I want to display and job I want to display. In this one, data is the lowest value only. So many jobs are there, lowest average salary job I want to display. Now check it out. This is the way your imagination means. First you have to check it out. Okay, fine. How we are displaying a what? These two values means compulsory group by. There is no choice. Here, how can I? Already I'm telling only select here job, comma, here average salary, group function with normal column means it won't work. Already I'm telling only. In that case, immediately go for group by, not a where class, group by class, group by. Other than group function column means which column? Job is a column. Up to this one, all are writing correctly. So many fellows are writing in our class up to this one correctly. Very good. Copy. I'm copying only and now pasting like this. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Up to this one correct. But here, okay, first one is what? Group by class. Now I don't want to display all the data. Yes, here. Now check it out. Yes, here. Job is a clerk only. I want to display lowest average salary job. I want to display. In this case only, so many fellows are here only struggling. Up to this one, they are writing a what correctly. Then so many fellows are writing a what after group by job only just is equal to here parenthesis they are writing. Blunder mistake, it won't work. Why? Because group by clause is a what? Yes, group by clause is a table actually. Already I'm telling results at table. After table, we are not allowed to use operator. Suppose here, yes, already in a previous classes, you have an idea. In a previous classes, select a star from EMP is equal to, we are writing like this. No, impossible. After table, we are not allowed to use any operator. Group by clause also internally results at table. That's why diagrammatical I'm telling, those days only group by clause I'm explaining or not. That's why first initial class is very slow. Why? Because that is a key concepts actually. And now here, yes, here, observe here. Yes, here. That's why after your table name, we are not allowed to use NA operator. That's why same group by clause also, your imagination, this is a table, results at table. After table, we are not allowed to use is equal to or less than or greater than. Very good. One thing is correct. Next. Some fellows are writing a what in our chat box. I'm observing only here group by job. After that one, directly they're writing a parenthesis. No. That is also not possible. Suppose here, now here, yes, here EMP table, after table only directly we are using a what, here is a parenthesis, then some select query, impossible. That's why here both the things are wrong answer. That's why maybe anybody attending a what previous classes, first initial classes, group by class, I am telling. After group by class, if you want to restrict the groups, then we are using a what? Very good, having class. You are using a having class or not, check it out purpose. That's why that much of time I am wasting only. Whenever anybody interviewer asking a group by class based query means compulsory we are using a what? Having class after group by class. Why? Because group by class through directly restricting the groups impossible. That's why compulsory we are restricting the groups by using having class directly. They are not asking interviewer having class only. Why? Because you are using or not, they are checking. That much of powerful. So many fellows are in our class, they are guessing only having class, they are writing. That's why two ways we are restricting the rows. One is where clause only in a way subquery side, normal queries. Then these type of group by clauses queries which restricting means having clause. That is important. That's why all are writing a what? A having clause or not? Yes, some fellows are writing a what? A having clause only. Very good. Yes, here. This is subquery, not a self-join. Now here. Having clause, having self-join, how it is possible? Now having clause correlated with some other thing also possible. Okay, first basically group by job having. Now in a having clause, I try to use a group function. Possible or not? Yes, possible. So now here we can also use a what? Group function only. Having average salary. Okay, na? Yes, your average salary is equal to, okay, fine. Now again brackets here. Yes, after having clause we are using operator. Possible or not? Yes, possible. Same like a where clause only. Now here parenthesis. Here select. Yes, here select like this. Now, yes, after where clause in a previous classes, I'm telling you after where clause, whatever construction is there, same construction we are using only after select, I'm telling or not. Otherwise, group function with construction or not. Same having clause also same thing only. After having clause, whatever construction is there, I'm copying only. Same thing I'm using a what? First query, 90% of the case, that one only. Same. So now function I'm using what here, copy paste only, but it won't work. Why? Because they are not asking a what? Yes, direct average salary, lowest average salary they're asking. Lowest average salary means after having clause, whatever construction is there, after select same construction means not suitable. But second case, it is suitable. What is that one? 90% of the case, same column, but 5% of case, which one? Group function possible or not? In a child query, group function with another column possible or not? Yes. The second role is suitable. That's why here lowest average salary job means lowest average salary means how can I? Yes, here after having class, whatever construction is there, same construction is not working. That's why yes, group function construction is working or not. Minimum, lowest means minimum. That's why this much of powerful, this one. Minimum of average of here, which one? Salary like this only. Okay, na? Yes, here from which one? EMP. Whenever we are writing this one, logically 100% correct, but it won't work. It won't work. What is this one? We are struggling. I am struggling. You are struggling only. Now here, yes, here we are writing about all the things we are logically we are thinking. Then it is working. We are thinking, but unfortunately, 100% logically correct. But why this query is not working means another rule is there. That rule up to now I'm not telling. What the rule means, now check it out. Here, concentrate here. What the rule means, here. Anybody Java programmers are well-known persons, .NET programmers are well-known persons. Nested functions means function within another function. Function within another function is called nested functions. Those are okay, Java, C, C++, these type of languages, you have an idea means you are well-known persons. Function within another function is called nested function. Same like. In any database in the worldwide, here, yes, nested group functions are there. Nested means one another. And now check it out. Here, observe here. Here, minimum is there and average is there. Minimum is there, average. Average is a one group function. Again, minimum is another group function. Group function within another group function means nested group functions are there or not. Whenever individually we are using a nested group functions, or yes, in a child query also nested group functions are available, then we must use a group by clause within a child query. Otherwise, it won't work. That is another rule. That's why already I am telling child query compulsory. They are writing about wrong side in a newcomers. Compulsory, 100%. They're executing means then reading error means maybe they're writing, otherwise impossible. Now that's why always already I'm telling first initial classes, relational database works based on set of rules. That rules you are familiar means that is experience means you are handling projects very easy. And now here check it out. Suppose here now I'm executing this one, copy. So now here copy. That's why Oracle Corporation this query directly they are giving only. Now here check it out. Here I try to execute this one. Yes, it will give us a what error. What is the error? Nested group function. Nested group function without group by. That's why whenever nested group functions are there in a child query, compulsory we are using a what? A group by clause. Otherwise it won't work. Observe here. Group group space by here job only like this. Yes, automatically it is working. Output is very simple, but input is very difficult or not. Observe here. Job and average salary. Here, clerk 1037.5 is there or not? Yes, here. Suppose some fellows are asking, Murli sir, you are telling a nested group functions are there, compulsory group by clause in that case only. Server also giving a error, but nested group functions are not there means how can I? Nested group functions are not there means your ownish. Where clause also working. That is next model. Some fellows are asking, Murli sir, you are telling about child query only nested group functions are there, then only maybe group by. Suppose individually nested group functions are there, what we can do? Yes, in that case also group by. Now here, really that is correct. Now check it out. I'm copying only, don't write it. These are very, very important concepts, big concepts only. Now here, check it out. These are database rules. And now here I'm using like this. Now here, observe here, yes. Whenever individual nested group functions are available, also group by compulsory. Otherwise, it won't work. In this case, also child query returns a single value. That's why this is a single row subquery or not. Suppose here I am writing like this. I'm not interested to use a what? A nested group functions. No, sorry, I'm not interested to use a what? A group by class. Observe here, group function within another group function I'm using. I'm removing a group by class. Then automatically here it will give say error nested group function without group by. That's why nested group functions are there means compulsory we are using a what? A group by class. Otherwise, those queries are not working. Whenever nested group functions are not there means, yes, what is the solution? I will tell you. Now here first, this one only. First, this query, write it. Error through we are learning. Okay, na? Yes, here better. First, this query through error. This error I want, that solution I will tell you. This query, write first. Wrong side, right? That rule I want. This is also single row of query because child query returns a what single value. Okay, nested functions directly we are using also group by. Okay, yeah. Average salary, lowest average salary means okay, directly that group function, nested group function, but average salary, job I'm asking, yeah, job, department number I'm asking, sub query required. Underline minimum of average of salary. Error, write it. Not a individual group functions, nested group functions. This error is very important. Parent query having clause is there. Yeah. Finished? Okay, error all are writing or not? Write a note. Note write it. In all relational databases, whenever child query means with this sub query side. Actually, normally also same rule. Okay, don't know. Whenever child query in all relational databases, whenever child query having nested group functions, then we must use group by class. Then we must use group by class within child query. Within child query. Now solution. Just group by class we are using in a child query. Yeah, remaining same. This query we are executing also child query we are executing means child query returns a single value or not. Yes. Underline this one and a minimum of average. Parent group by column only we are using. Okay, not any other column. Job, department number we are using is it won't work. Finished off fast. Understood? Yes. Now observe. Okay, whenever parent query group by class is there, be careful. In that one, restricted the groups means having class compulsory, either having class or normal queries means where class through only restricting the what values only. But in that having class, we are using also child indirect values means lowest average salary. We don't know the value means yes, here child query we are using only. But in this child query, nested group functions are there means compulsory we are using a what group by class. But what is the question mark means? What is the doubt means? Whenever nested group functions are not there, for example, these nested group function within another group functions are not there, then what we can do? Then what we can do means here in a child query, either where clause also possible or group by clause also possible. Your own wish. This is also important. Whenever child query does not have a what? A nested group functions. Only child query having a normal group functions, then your own wish based on the requirement. Either where clause or group by clause also we are using based on the requirement. Where also in this case working group by not a mandatory. Really that is correct or not? We are checking through the another query. And now here, check it out. Here, observe here. Concentrate. So many fellows are thinking of what? Here, wrong assumption. Observe here. Suppose select, don't repeat, select. Here, group function, max of salary is there from EMP. I am writing. But where clause I am writing? Select maximum salary from EMP means here 5,000 is a maximum salary. But now I am writing a what? Where department number is equal to, yes, here 30 I am writing. Working or not working? Working. This query is working. So many fellows are this query not working. They are thinking why? Because oh, group function is there. This group function we are using a what? Where clause means not working. Really correct. Group function is where clause means not working. But here group function is there. Okay. Here in a where condition through we are restricting the what rows possible. Group by clause is there, then only problem. But here where clause is there, and now directly we are 30th department maximum salary from EMP means all the department maximum salary. But here 30th department means particular 30th department maximum salary only displayed or not. That's why individual group function is there. Then we are using a what where clause also possible. But group function with another column is there, then compulsory group by. Okay, na? That is difference understandable. That's why whenever individual group function is there, yes, we are using a what where clause also possible. Observe here. Yes. In a where clause I'm using me, so maybe logical observed here, maximum salary of 30th department. This will be displayed or not? Yes. Suppose here maximum salary of the where 10th department. Yes, here what is that? So 20th department. Yes, here automatically some value 3,000. It will display or not? Based on this knowledge, okay, oh, maybe where can group by after select group function is available means we can also use a where clause. Okay, you have an idea, but same based on that knowledge only. Just observe here. In a previous case, one query is there. What is the query? Now slowly observe it. I want to display what? Yes, here. Each job average salary is there. Okay, this one we are displaying in a previous case, but I don't want to display all the jobs, all the average salaries. I want to display those jobs average salaries more than the now here suppose so now here more than the analyst or the manager job average salary, otherwise analyst job average salary, or otherwise salesman job average salary. Possible. Write it. Write another query. In this case, nested group functions are not there. Okay, write another query. Write a query. To display those jobs average salary is more than clerk job average salary from EMP table by using group by class. Okay, na? Yeah. Slowly try it this one. Where class, child query, nested group functions are not there in this query. In that case, your own wish, either where class or group by, but based on your requirement here, your requirement is there, check it out. 1 or 2 times read this query. More than I'm asking, greater than no? Yeah. Right, same like a previous query, but a slight difference. Very good. Some fellows are writing only. Sumit, you are writing correct. Adarsh, yeah. Lame, yeah. Something mistake. Shant. Yes, Prashant, you are writing correct. Rishikesh. Yeah, correct. Your lowest average salary, I'm not asking. Yeah, very good. Only normal query. Your nested subquery is not there. Nested functions are not there. Here, observe here. Suppose the report you are observing means maybe you are writing correctly, I think. Suppose here job and average salary is there. But what is the requirement? Observe here. Clerk job average salary is there. No? This is 1037. More than this one means this one it will display. That's why child query only this is clerk job average salary we are writing. In a way, parent query only display mechanism. Simple. Correctly write it. Last 1 minute. Correctly write it. Child query, nested group functions are not there in this case. That's why where clause also possible. That is you are writing or not, check it out purpose entry or these type of things also they are asking. Slowly, first time only I'm not expecting about correct answers. Just at least trying means then maybe you are analyzing. Yes, you are writing correct. Yeah. Now observe here very easy. Okay. Yes, here the query to display those jobs average salary more than the clerk average salary they're asking. Oh, maybe average salary that one means group function is required. Again, job they are asking, that's why job column is required. Oh, maybe group function with normal column is there is no choice, group by first. They are giving a hint only group by class, not a problem. Now here, that's why first group by class query you are writing. How can I select? Don't write it here. Select job, comma here average salary from EMP group space by here job up to this one. Okay. But I don't want to display all the jobs, all the average salaries. Clerk job average salary, something is there, 1037. Yes, more than the salary, so many okay, some other employees, other jobs are there. Those jobs only I want to display. Then restrict in the groups means how can I compulsory? We are using a having clause. Either having clause in a where group clause after having clause through only so subqueries, otherwise normal queries means where clause. That everyone knows. Here having clause only, having average salary. Here more than I'm asking, more than means greater than, like that only. And now here, yes, here more than means greater than, like this. And now here, check it out. Select. Okay, so now select here. Yes, rules are there. After having clause, whatever construction is there, same construction when copying only, copy this one. Otherwise, group function construction. But in this case, same construction possible. Group function is not required. Another group function is max minimum not required because highest lowest I'm not asking. And now here, yes, here from EMP. Now here your imagination like this only. Whenever individual group function is there, then we can also use a where clause or group by clause. But in this case, where clause is suitable or not? Why? Because clerk job average salary, we have to find out. More than that job average salary, here another jobs, it will be displayed. That's why clerk job means, can we use a what where clause? Yes, possible. Where? Very good. Where? Tell me. Very good. So many people are telling where job is equal to clerk. Okay, fine. Finished. Simple. And now here, check it out. I try to execute this one. And now here, yes. Observe it here. Yes. Now more than the clerk only, salesman, analyst, manager, president is there or not? Yes, here. But this is also single row subquery. Whenever child query returns amount, yes, here, yes, executing select average salary from EMP. Observe here. Where job is equal to clerk. Now here, observe here. This is a what? A single row subquery. Oh, maybe single value, it will be written 1037. More than this, so now here, yes, average salary, another job average salaries are there or not? Yes, simple. That's why this is also single row subquery. All the things single row subquery, big models actually. So now big concept. There are multiple row, then only main concepts only. Write it. That's why child query nested group functions are there or not. Check it out. Nested group functions are there means compulsory group by. There is no choice. But nested group functions are not there. Same normal group functions are there. Nested means group function within another group function. Yeah. Now here nested group functions are not there. Normal group function. That's why yes, group by clause is not mandatory. That is an optional. You are using group by. You are using a where clause based on the type of situation. In this case, where clause is suitable. Simple, no? Yeah. Very good. Everyone underline it. Average salary here, average salary. Then how enter you are asking a question, I will tell. completed. Now here group by class models, so many fellows are asking interviewer, but unfortunately in that case interview question is there, one popular interview question is there. Yes, those interviewers always checking out what child query nested group functions are there or single group functions are there. They're checking only based on that one, how you are analyzing, they're checking. Now that's why so many fellows are our students only telling whenever SPL SQL developer fake experience they are putting means this queries experience person questions they are asking. Observe, one of our student is telling, suppose here, whenever he is attending interviewer asking like this. Here, same like a EMP table, in our company also, so many departments are there, so many number of employees are working. Suppose here, there some departments are there. Okay, for example, now here, yes, here. ABC is a department is there in our company. In this company, 257 employees are working. Same like now here, yes, here XYZ is a one another company, sorry, another department is there. ABC is a department is there in the company, 257 employees are working. Anything roughly. XYZ is another department is there. In that department, 800 employees are working only in our company. Suppose here PQR is another department is there. In that one only, now here is 100 employees are working. But I don't want to display all the departments names and all the number of employees only. Highest number of employees are working in a which department? That a department and a number of employees I want to display. They're asking only highest number of employees. Highest number of employees are available in which department in this example? 800 highest number of employees that is available in XYZ department only. But unfortunately, in our class, these department names are not there. That's why department number is there. 10th department, some employees are there, for example. 20th department, some employees are there. Okay. 30th department, some employees are there, for example. This is also grouped by now here. In a 10th department, 3 employees are there, for example. Again, 20th department, here 6 employees are there, maybe 5 employees are there. Again, 30th department, 6 employees are there. What is my requirement means? I want to display highest number of employees department. Highest number of employees means 30 and 6 is there. That is I want to display. Possible, possible. Yes, here you are only writing. I am not telling anything. Why? Because this is an experience inter question only. Predefined query, but important. Based on these previous queries, you are writing, I think. Write a query. Write a query. Write a query to display highest number of employees, highest number of employees department from EMP table by using group by class. Write a query to display highest number of employees department from EMP table by using group by class. Actually, department names, number of employees joins actually, but this is one directly simple way I'm asking. Write a query to display highest number of employees department from EMP table by using group by class. In a future anti-salary, that is different. Okay, that is I am telling you later. Don't worry. Try it in this model. This is the last one. This enter question. Very good, Vijay. You are writing 100% correct. First group by, then restrict in the groups having class. Then child query, nested group functions are there or not, check it out. Nested group functions are there, miss group by. Okay, yeah. Nested group functions are not there, miss your own wish. Finished up fast. Same model, previous case model. Sumit, you are also writing very good. Correct. That's why one model we are practicing is, then you are remembering. That's why subquery is a big chapter. Okay, so now so many things are there in every database. Now here, observe here, concentrate here. Oh, maybe display, okay, department, highest number of employees in each department means, observe here, only EMP table they're asking, that's very easy. And number of employees means which group function is there? Count star, because group by class means compulsory group function is there, you are choose it, okay, fine. Again, department they're asking, department means EMP table means DPT number, otherwise DPT table means DNAME also, okay, that's why joins are required in that case. But in this case, very easy. Oh, maybe your imagination, department number, comma, count star. Whenever we are imagination like this, or maybe group function with a normal column means we are using a what? Group by. How can I select here department number, comma, yes, here count of star, here from EMP, group space, here same models, group space by, here department number, okay, fine. This is the query, okay, fine. Observe here. Up to now, you have an idea. Yes, this one. Oh, group by class like this, same previous case model. Now, 10th department, 3 employees, 20th department, 5 employees, 30th department, 6 employees. What they're asking, so now here, highest number of employees are available in which department? Here, 6 is there. Here, 30th department. That is I want to display. But 6 or 7 or anything, we don't know, because in a query, they are not giving 6 is there. Then those departments they would display, they're not asking highest. Which one is highest? I don't know. So now here, maybe 100 departments are there. In that one, highest number of employees are working in which department? Really, we don't know. We don't know exact value means, then we are using a what? Child query or not? Yes. That's why if you want to restrict the groups means after group by compulsory, we are using a what? Having class. Can we use a what? Count group function in a having class? Yes, possible. Direct value 6 means like this only, but unfortunately we don't know. So now here they are not giving 6 or 7 or anything. Highest number they are asking only. That's why in this case we are using a what? Here, now here, select. After select only indirect value, no, so now subquery. Now here after having class, whatever construction is there, same construction, but unfortunately same construction not working. Why? Because highest number of employees they're asking. Highest number of employees means max or minimum. Very good. Can we use a group function here? Yes, here max of count star. Okay, na? Yes, here max of count star. Yes, here like this only. Now here from EMP. But unfortunately, after EMP, here group by class or very class, don't confuse that. Why? Because that is nested group functions are there or not? This is a group function. Again, a group function within another group function maximum is there. That's why group function within another group function means these are nested. Whenever nested group functions are there, compulsory we are using a what? Group by class. Okay, practically we are checking means group by class, you are remembering. But interview asking means compulsory you are choosing a what? Like this only. Here, group space by, here department number. Okay, na? Yes, that's why child query properly you are choosing means automatically yes. 30th department 6 is there or not? Yes, like this. Write it. Very good. Some fellows are writing this much of big queries also. They're writing properly. Great. First time. You know, you're writing correct. Okay, up to this one is enough today. Now child query returns about single value. This one, this is also single row model only. Then we are telling about multiple rows of queries. Tomorrow also class is there. Saturday, tomorrow class is there. Tomorrow, so no multiple row we are telling only. In that case, enough here once we are good at what that one. Then next onwards, Monday onwards, very important top analysis, most powerful. That onwards important queries. Okay, now tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Tomorrow class is there. Tomorrow will continue. Slowly practice it. Why? Because newcomers means that's a problem. Because different models are there. Models they have doesn't have an idea. Their own way they are writing means it won't work. Slowly, one of these days you are familiar. Those are all the things. But first time, no. That's why it will take a time. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, remaining. Tomorrow class is there. Tomorrow continue. Thank you.